Hello there, it's John here again, and today I'm just outside of Tofino and we're checking out Chesterman Beach, famous surf site here on the west coast. Well, let's get going. Alright, well just back over here, there's places if you're going surfing to, wash all your gear off and all that. There's washrooms. It's pay parking, just so you know. It's got the board here, and let you know what wildlife's here. There you go, lots of information. We'll just head down towards the water for the big reveal. Alright. Here we go. A little bit socked in today, but what a beauty of a day. Okay, look at this. Look out there in the fog is a Coast Guard cutter. See him out there in the mist? Just a beautiful spot. Look at that. Some folks out there trying their luck on some surfing. See if they can catch something. It's not a real big sets coming in at the moment. That don't matter as long as everybody's having a good time. Sand is nice and solid. What a pretty spot though, eh? Look at that. Just gonna go out and take a look around here a little bit. Beautiful west coast. We go out here and just take a look around. What a gorgeous place. I just figured we'd go and have a look on these rocks here. Try not to get a soaker. Gonna go and climb up on these rocks and see what we see up here. Okay. Just gonna take a look around. Sorry, the going's a little funky, but oh well. Gotta take a look. Not a whole lot of wildlife on these other than the good old barnacles. They'll stick to dang near anything, those guys. I always like to look in the little tide pools and just see what's come in. You never know what's in there. Oh, look at there. Oh, there's some hermit crab down there in the tide pool. A couple of anemones. You can see them right down in there, the old sea anemones. Good size ones too, pretty big. All down along there as well. There's a big anemone. There's a couple more of the little tiny guys. Oh boy, look at those ones. Jeez, those are big. How about that, eh? Wow. Oh, somebody teaching their kid to do a little surfing. Boy, oh boy. Looks like the rollers are starting to come in a little better here for the surfers. A bit more of a break coming. You can kind of see them out there a little bit farther over there. Some people out there in the water. Just paddling out. It's like they're trying to grab a set right in there. Well, I will go back to the shore and we'll see what else we can find. All right, well, I thought we'd just kind of cruise down along here, along the beach. Huge, wide, sandy beach. Solid sand, too, so you're not sinking into it too much. A lot of people ride their bikes along here. You can rent those back in Tofino if you haven't got one with you. There's a couple rental places. Waves are a little mushy this morning. It looks like they're having some trouble getting any action. But, oh, they're having fun anyway. Oh, that kid's all right. There we go. There's some people out there doing some surfing. Decent rollers coming in. What's that, about maybe a 2-foot swell, something like that? Shore breaks are weird here, though. Good spot to come if you want to practice your your skills before you head to the North Shore for the Big Wave Classic. This is more of the Frozen Wave Classic because it's cold. Well, what a cool beach. Somewhere over there is, what, China? Something like that? Somewhere around there. What an awesome spot. Oh, yeah. Here's a little tip for you. Don't leave your stuff lying around. Otherwise, your sandwich might not be there when you get back. Sneaky buggers, eh? There he goes. Look at these guys. The second you leave your stuff, unbelievable. Thieves are everywhere. Thieves, I tell you. Look at these guys. Unbelievable. Well, there you go. Safety tip. All right. Oh yeah, something I noticed too is these right here. These are kind of interesting. They're a species of seaweed that fills with gas. We used to squeeze them when we were kids because they kind of pop. There you go. So, if you're looking for something to do on the beach, there you go. You just find these. You can spend hours doing that. I know, I'm a little weird. All right, well, there you go. That's Chesterman Beach. What a beautiful spot. You can spend all day here just hanging out, doing a little surfing, catching some sun, just walking. I mean, holy mackerel, this place is just massive how much beach. You can just spend days just looking around the beaches around Tofino and Ucluelet. Boy, oh boy, it's just fantastic. Well, thanks so much for coming out with me. I sure do appreciate it. It was great to have you, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.